how to create ton wallet address to receive funds in cryptocurrencies or blockchain. So follow me in this video to know how to do this. Before we go, subscribe to the channel to receive every important videos, and press like if you like it, and share it with others so we can reach YouTube and Google in search engines. Let's go now. Here in Code Forces, he told me to insert my ton wallet address and the secret code. So I will create it through this website, which is tonwallet.org. This I will put the link in the description. Then create my wallet, then continue. Like the video and share it if you like it, so people can watch this video, important video. Here, write down these 24 words in the correct order and store them in secret place. Use the secret words to restore access to your wallet if you lose your password or access this device. Okay, time and so on. So this is a website, and after that you will get that wallet address of yours. Thanks for watching the video. If there is any question, don't hesitate to ask and I will reply you as soon as possible. Share the video with others, like it, and write any questions and will reply you. Thanks for watching.